The subject of this video is DNA studies. It's about how you will always need history and, in some cases, religion and culture to beef up what DNA reveals or can reveal about ancestry. And we are taking off by talking about the case of Sitting Bull, the famous Native American that some of us have read about in studies of the Native Americans. Sitting Bull's DNA, retrieved from his specimen at the Smithsonian, was compared to the DNA of some people that history mentions as his possible descendants, and they match. You can still see that history became important again. If we did not know that those people were possibly related to Sitting Bull, we wouldn't have known who to compare Sitting Bull's DNA with. We will revert to myself now. MyHeritage Incorporated found that my DNA matched with the DNA of groups that are in the Middle East. To determine definitively who I descended from among the many peoples that lived in the Middle East, Egyptians, Hebrews/Israelites/Jews, Midianites, Amalekites, Edomites, Assyrians, Babylonians, Arabs, to mention just a few, my culture has to be compared to the various cultures that have evolved in the Middle East. My culture and religion, as we have always known, is called Omenana. And by the way, Omenana is in the language that the Hebrew Bible was written, what is closest to a proper name for the religion and culture that you find in the Old Testament. If it is possible for us to talk to God today, God told the Israelites, what you are going to do in the land of, what you are going into the land of Canaan to do are things that are to be done in the land. If you translate this to Igbo, you have Omenana. So you can see